Got a honeydew project today. I've got this swinging chair that's on the front of the house, and it's hanging from this thing up there. There's a 1/2 inch bolt through here on this piece. What I've got is a bearing, and I'm going to put 2 bearings in here, one on this side and one on that side, because the swing no longer swings freely, it kind of sticks. This hanger came with a bronze bushing in it, and you'd think that would be enough so it would rock smoothly, but something's gotten into it now where it kind of hangs up a little bit. So I'm going to take this bushing out and machine this and put these 2 bearings in. That's the idea anyway. Okay, the first thing I need to do is find the center of that. Now, this is not the greatest way to hold this. The aluminum jaws will help it a little bit because they kind of bit into it, and I've got the 2 parallels underneath it to keep them from flopping that way. So we'll give it a try and see what happens. Okay, that's what I'm getting for the center. So it should be close enough because you know, the bearings are going to make a new center. It's just a cast piece and it's just a swing, so I'm not too worried about it. Pull this one out and put in a cutter. Okay, this one should be the right length. I think I could do a press fit on that. I think with a little deburring. I'll try it out here. Okay. See if I can't press this in there. Oh, look at that. Sweet! Other side. There we go. 2 bearings ready to go. Now let's go see how she swings.